Thanks to Nomad eSIM, your best travel companion, for sponsoring this video. Staying connected while traveling should not be difficult. For many travelers, the easiest solution is an eSIM. If you're new to the concept, an eSIM is simply a digital SIM card that installs directly onto your phone. There's no plastic card to handle, no SIM tray to open, and no need to search for a kiosk at the airport. It is fast, convenient, and increasingly becoming the standard for international travel in 2025. Today, we're taking a closer look at Nomad eSIM, a service that aims to simplify travel connectivity through flexible and affordable data plans around the world. The idea is straightforward. You choose a destination, select the amount of data you want, and activate the plan in just a few minutes. You can set it up before your trip or while you're already traveling. One of the strongest aspects of Nomad eSIM is the variety of available plans. Travelers can browse options for more than 200 destinations. This includes single country plans, multi-country regional plans, and global coverage plans. Data options range from small 1 GB packs to larger 30 GB bundles. There are also unlimited data plans. Whether you're taking a short weekend trip or planning a longer multi-city itinerary, there is a plan that fits your needs. For trips that span several countries, such as a European vacation or extended tour of Asia, Nomad eSIM regional and global plans allow your data to continue working as you move across borders. There's no need to switch plans or make additional purchases, which helps remove one of the most common travel frustrations. Nomad eSIM also includes features that support families and groups. You can share your data plan with others directly within the app. The cart feature makes it easy to purchase multiple eSIMs in a single checkout. This could be helpful when you're coordinating connectivity for friends or relatives who are traveling with you. Affordability is another focus for Nomad eSIM. By working directly with network providers, the company aims to offer competitive prices along with reliable performance. Some plans start as low as $1.10 per gigabyte. This is designed to provide a practical alternative to expensive roaming fees and inconsistent airport SIM options while still keeping the activation process simple. Although Nomad eSIM is designed primarily for travel, the service can also be useful at home. Many people use eSIMs on devices such as tablets or work phones to add data when needed without committing to an additional carrier plan. Nomad eSIM is offering a limited time promotion for Digital Trends viewers. From now through December 16, 2025, you can use the code DIGITAL25 to receive 25% off your cart when you purchase one or more eSIMs in the Nomad eSIM app. The discount also applies to sale plans. As eSIM technology becomes more mainstream, services like Nomad eSIM represent a modern way to stay connected during international travel. With flexible options, global coverage, and straightforward pricing, it is a very strong choice for anyone looking to simplify mobile data on their next trip. To explore plans or learn more, check out the link below, and remember to use the code DIGITAL25 for 25% off.